Welcome to part 2 of Unleashing the Power of Irresistible Short Reports to Build Your Business. Number 6, Step-by-Step Tutorial. Here you're essentially taking the how-to report and adding clear, numbered steps to achieve the specific benefit or goal. Examples in this style. How to start a successful blog in 7 simple steps. Mastering photography, a step-by-step guide for beginners. From idea to novel, writing your first book in 10 easy steps. Building a profitable e-commerce store, step-by-step blueprint. Number 7, frequently asked questions. This style of report almost writes itself. List out the most commonly asked questions on a particular topic, and then follow each one with the answer. Examples, FAQs. Unleashing the power of social media. Top 20 FAQs answered for business owners. Investment strategies demystified. Experts answer the top 20 questions for beginners. Parenting 101, solving the top 20 challenges every new parent faces, mastering public speaking, answering the top 20 FAQs for aspiring speakers. 8, idea generators. An idea generator style of small reports provides prompts to inspire brainstorming and idea generation. Some examples. 101 creative prompts for visual artists. 50 thought-provoking questions for book club discussions. 75 catchy slogans for advertising campaigns. 50 fill-in-the-blank social media post templates. The ultimate guide to science project ideas for students. Number 9, the first year here. You guide newcomers through their first year in a specific endeavor, providing them with valuable insights and tips to navigate the initial challenges. Examples: the first year of starting a small business, the first year of becoming a digital nomad, the first year of blogging for 6 figures, the first year of freelance writing careers, the first year of starting a YouTube channel. Number 10, niche business. Instead of targeting other internet marketers, focus on teaching niche business owners how to effectively market their products or services. Here are examples. The Fitness Trainer's Guide to Attracting Clients Online. How to build a successful Etsy shop for homemade crafts. The Restaurant Owner's Guide to Social Media Marketing. The Wedding Planner's Guide to Targeting High-End Clients. The Health and Wellness Coach's Guide to Building a Thriving Practice. Number 11, the bridge. Combine 2 unrelated topics into one small report, connecting universal desires with a specific field of interest or expertise. Examples: The Entrepreneur's Guide to Healthy Eating, The Artist's Guide to Smart Investing, The Gardener's Guide to Finding Love, The Gamer's Guide to Fitness and Exercise, The Writer's Guide to Networking and Building Meaningful Connections. Number 12, shortcuts. Share time-saving and efficient methods to accomplish specific tasks without compromising quality. Some examples: 20 time-saving hacks for home organization, 10 quick tips for improving your photography skills, speed up your web development, 15 coding shortcuts, 7 shortcut strategies for learning a new language, the writer's shortcut to publishing a book in record time. Number 13, advanced guide. Cater to the experienced and advanced users in a particular field, providing them with specialized knowledge and advanced strategies. Here are new examples. Advanced strategies for stock market investing. The photographer's advanced editing techniques. Advanced digital marketing tactics for e-commerce businesses. The advanced musician's guide to jazz improvisation. Number 14, time frame. Here the key focus is on the specific time frame within which a task can be accomplished. The selling point lies in the ability to achieve results within a defined period. A few examples. Mastering social media marketing in just 14 days. Transform your face in 5 days. The Skincare Boot Camp. 30 Days to Financial Freedom, a wealth-building blueprint. Learn a new language in 21 days or your money back. Number 15, personal profile. People are more likely to pay attention to someone who has achieved the results they desire. It adds credibility and trust. Examples showcasing personal achievements. From fat to marathon runner, how I transformed my fitness. 0 to hero, my journey from unknown to 7-figure marketer. How I became a scratch golfer 30 days after learning to play. How I became a best-selling author with no writing or publishing. Fundraising Unleashed, how I mobilized my community to raise $1 million in 10 days. Number 16, planner. Planners are highly popular among readers as they provide a structured set of activities to follow. These organized checklists help individuals stay on track and make progress. For example, Master Your Time, a 7-day schedule for optimal productivity. The Mindful Month, a 30-day guide to cultivating inner peace. Fit for Life, the 21-day exercise planner for total fitness. Your Dream Wedding, a 3-month planner and organizer. Homeschooling Made Easy, the daily schedule for smart parents. The Ultimate Affiliate Marketing Plan, 30 Days to Online Success. Number 17, Problem versus Solution. In this article series, we follow the classic problem-solution format to provide actionable guidance when facing particular predicaments that are still resolvable. Instead of offering generic advice, each report focuses on a specific issue, empowering readers with targeted information to tackle their problems effectively. Let's explore some examples. What to do when you experience writer's block. What to do when you suspect your identity has been compromised. What to do when you want to reignite the spark in your relationship. What to do when you encounter online harassment and cyberbullying. What to do when you've lost your job unexpectedly. Number 18, current events. You can create urgency and capitalize on upcoming holidays and events by tying your topic with an impending holiday or event. This approach is effective because readers realize they must acquire your small report immediately to fully enjoy its benefit within the set deadline, i.e., the date of the event or holiday. The Ultimate Guide to Hosting a Memorable 4th of July Party. Maximizing your online sales during Black Friday. Planning your dream wedding on a budget. How to achieve your New Year's resolutions and make them stick. The Tax Season Survival Guide, Navigating April 15th with Ease. Stress-Free Holiday Travel, a comprehensive guide for Thanksgiving. Number 19, insights from pop culture. If you've got a good imagination, then you can unveil the valuable lessons hidden within pop culture, be it in movies, music, lifestyles, fashion, entertainment, or even cooking. This style is especially popular because it piques curiosity, making it a consistently popular choice among readers. The Entrepreneur's Guide to Success, inspired by Elon Musk. What Taylor Swift can teach you about building a personal brand. The Marvel Method, superhero strategies for goal achievement. The Game of Thrones Guide to Effective Leadership. The Pixar Approach, storytelling secrets for business presentations. Cooking lessons from celebrity chefs, creating culinary masterpieces at home. And number 20, money-saving strategies. If you can show readers how to save money or even completely eliminate the cost of something, you've got a winner. The reader cannot turn down the opportunity to reduce the costs of something they're already buying or of being able to finally afford something they've been wanting. Examples: slash your utility bills in half, energy-saving hacks for every home. How to travel the world on a shoestring budget. The Frugal Foodie, eating well on a tight budget. Thrifty Fashion, dressing stylishly without breaking the bank. How to remodel your bathroom for half the going rate. How to buy a new car for 25% less than dealer's wholesale cost. Okay, that's it for this time. I invite you to check out all of my courses at chiefsclassroom.org. There's several totally free sample courses so you can see what my style is before committing to a purchase. I look forward to seeing you in one of my courses. Take care and be safe out there.